Alright, guys. KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia Cards. Joe, 91redwings19. Gypsy Queen. Box 9. Can we just pull a disgusting booklet? You weren't here. I was impatient.
You couldn't wait that whole 1.5 seconds?
Nope. I don't think we have one. I don't see any super fat packs.
OMG.
What's up, Ost? How you doing tonight? Alright guys, we got NT and Tribute, and I got personal boxes of Gypsy Queen.
You basically held hands.
Do you think before you talk?
Sometimes. Occasionally.
Yep, Gypsy Queen personals. I don't do group breaks of Gypsy Queen. It's too crazy to sort. I'm gonna try Diamond Kings. Nope. I actually don't. Unless we do like 5 cases of like Gypsy Queen in a night or something like that. Or like Heritage or craziness. I will start with the box topper, because I don't think I opened it.
Box topper. Box topper.
Aww. Michael Trout!
So sick.
That would have been so sick. Numbered. Mike Trout.
I thought it smelled fishy.
I don't even, where are the codes?
Down there. They're super tiny to read.
Oh, they're so terrible.
Yeah.
No, you don't, Austin. They're like crazy tiny. Alright, we got Fortune Tellers. Robinson Cano.
Don't you know?
Black and white. Ian Kennedy, 32 of 50. First auto is nice. Tyler Glass now. That's not bad. Rookie auto on card. Mr. Glass now. Is he their ace? He's going to be their ace, isn't he? Eventually.
He's supposed to be a pretty good prospect.
Yeah.
Who is their ace?
I don't know much about the Pirates.
Liriana still on there?
Fortune Teller Garrell for the Stros. Harper Repro. Who's the Pirates ace?
I don't even know if Burnett's still on there.
AJ Burnett. Is AJ Burnett still in the league?
Oh.
No black plate. Chris Archer. Doug Treyback.
Huh?
Jameson Tyon's on there.
Oh yeah, Tyon. Jim God.
304, Mike Piazza. That's a short print. 1 per box.
Good catch.
Just looks different. Harper, base. No nameplate. That's going to be Tom Murphy. Tom Murphy, no name.
Murph and Turf.
Todd Van Poppel's Aries.
Who?
You don't know who Todd Van Poppel is? The biggest prospect bust in history.
Really?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
250, Bruce Maxwell, rookie purple.
What team was he for?
Oakland A's back in the day. Dude, he was like 91. I think he was 90, 91.
I wasn't born yet.
Ichiro, repro.
Well, Andy Vance like panned out, right? He was pretty good, I thought.
People were trading like Todd Van Poppel for 89 Griffies and stuff. It was crazy.
Ooh.
Yeah. Jackie Bradley Jr. No black plate. Purple, Russell Martin. At 250. Black and white auto. 85 of 99. Pat Vendetti? Vendetti for the Seattle Mariners. Black and white auto.
Mr. Spaghetti.
Come on, another short print of a short print. Fortune teller, Kershaw. Fulmer rookie. Andy Van Slyke, yeah. Andy Van Slyke doesn't. His kid plays in the league, right? Scott?
Yeah. The Doyers.
Larkin repro. Come on. Give us a 101. And Robbie Grossman. Black printing plate missing. That didn't go.
No.
Thanks, Joe. I'll get on with the other stuff.